What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Neuro Wave before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Neuro Wave works. What is the Neuro Wave? The Neuro Wave is a daily nerve support supplement designed to promote healthy circulation, calm overactive nerve signals, and support day-to-day comfort. It's not a painkiller or an instant switch. The idea is steady, consistent use so relief can build week after week. Does the Neuro Wave really help with nerve discomfort? Many users report less burning and tingling and more comfortable movement with consistent daily use of the Neuro Wave. It's gradual support, not an overnight fix. How do you take the Neuro Wave? 1 serving daily with a main meal and a full glass of water. Pick a time and stick to it. Consistency wins. How fast are results with the Neuro Wave? Some people feel calmer nights and easier mornings in 1-2 weeks. Fuller benefits with the Neuro Wave typically build after 4-6 weeks of daily use. Are there side effects with the Neuro Wave? The Neuro Wave is stimulant-free and formulated for everyday use. Most users report no jitters. If you take medication or have a condition, talk to your doctor first. Who should use the Neuro Wave? Adults who want natural, day-to-day support for nerve comfort, circulation, and mobility routines. Who should avoid the Neuro Wave? Anyone under 18, pregnant or nursing individuals, and people with medical conditions without professional guidance. Do I need lifestyle changes with the Neuro Wave? You don't need perfection. Basics help the Neuro Wave work better: hydration, sleep, protein plus fiber, and light daily movement.